Okay, so what is email marketing? Now, it's obviously a very powerful marketing channel in the form of like a direct marketing as well as digital marketing. It crosses both barriers, and you can use email marketing to actually promote your businesses, products, and services. It's very good for doing that, and also you can use it. And this is probably the primarily way of how to actually use it is to actually solve your customers' problems. Okay, if they've got a problem, you can give them that solution, but basically what you're asking them to do is actually give you their details such as a name and an email address to get the solution to those problems. So that's basically how it works. You would then create what we call a landing page or an opt-in page. You would then offer something on this landing page. Now, this could be, like I say, a solution to a problem. It could also be just a newsletter. It could be a set of videos which is explaining the problem. It could be an ebook, a checklist, a report. Could be anything. Once you actually then start promoting that out, people then will obviously sign up to get that free report, newsletter, whatever you're giving away. So that's basically how email marketing works. You're giving solutions to people in exchange for their contact information. And with some people, this might be more contact information. It might be an address, might be a telephone number as well. But primarily, you want to stick to probably a name and email because those are the most two common bits of information that your companies are going to need. So the second part of this video, why is it so important that you build an email list? And the first thing we want to talk about is on this section is collecting people's email addresses helps you stay in touch with your potential customers because you can obviously then email them anytime you actually want. Yes, obviously they have an option to unsubscribe and no longer receive your emails, which is fine, and you have to have that at the bottom of every email. That is law. It's certainly a great way which you can actually also promote your products and services as well via the emails. Now, I know some people say, well, email's dead, social media marketing's taken over. Personally, no, I don't think it has. I think people still open your emails. How many emails do you get sent per day? How many emails do you open per day? You probably still get loads because email marketing works. Now, you've got obviously Facebook, Twitter, and any of the social medias platforms that people are on, and you can interact with your customers there. But that's not your traffic, so to speak. You know, if Facebook changed the algorithms or deleted your account or something like that, they're gone. Your followers are all gone. You've got no way of actually getting them back. You're never going to remember all of them. So getting them onto your email list so you can do email marketing with them is a great ploy because then those people are in your list. They belong to you. No one can take that away from you. Okay. And two, this gives you a chance to actually get to know your customers even better by sending them regular emails, which will build up that know, like, and trust that we all need to start selling online. Now, a couple of things you can obviously do to do this. You can obviously tell them stories about your own background or about your own business, even some of your personal life, and like build up that rapport. So people who are on your email list get to know you. They feel as if they do know you. And this is great when you actually come to recommend a product or a service. Now, this might be your product or it might be someone else's product, but they're more likely to take action once you've built up that rapport and, like I say, that know, like, and trust value as a customer. Now, the great thing also with the email marketing, you can add so many different things in there. You can add videos directly into email marketing. You could add images. You can obviously add links as well. So if you are then sending someone back to your blog, back to your website, to your products and services, to other good content. Don't forget, give them other good content, other value content from other people. You could be sending them to your YouTube channel. There's various different ways that you can use your email list. Well, email marketing certainly isn't dead. I use it every single day in my business, and it does give me sales of products and services that I actually promote. So I would definitely make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you obviously watch further videos here about email marketing. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and we'll see you on the next video.